I wanted to show you or follow up in reference to my book nook video to show you the adhesive that I was referring to in my video. If you don't want to use this, because to me sometimes this is sloppy and sometimes it doesn't stick as well as I would like it to. So I like to use these sticky dots. The picture doesn't look like this on Amazon, which is where I got them from, but these are the sticky dots, die cut sticky dots. It's not double-sided tape like I said in my video. It is sticky dots, and the way you use it is you peel this away from there, and you're able to take your book or any item. It could be a die cut with a hole in the center. That's what makes it good, because it only sticks on the surface that's touching it, and the center remains clear. So I like to do this because it sticks there, and then you can lift it and it has the adhesive on it. And I like to take it and put it on the book. And it sticks. And it's not the messy, stick glue. Another way that I like to do my books is to use my little Xyron sticker creator, which I've had for years because I used to scrapbook. So I've had this for a long time. And what it does, you stick it, I'll show you. You stick this down, and it has to be this size. It's no bigger than this. You stick it down in here until you can't anymore, and then you pull it. And it puts the adhesive on the back, like this. And then you just peel it. And you have adhesive on the back. So then you cut it, and you have a perfect little book with the spine. You could just, to define that spine more. And look at that. No mess. None of the glue. Given it's a lot more costly to use this Xyron, this comes in a pack of 10, I believe. Oh, 8 sheets. So it's a lot costlier than this stick glue, but to me, it makes my life a little bit easier and less messy. So I just wanted to show you that you could use something else as another alternative to the stick glue. And it makes the process go a lot faster. I like to put them right next to each other so that I only have to cut once. So there's my other one. So it's a little bit easier. I hope this helps somebody. Thank you for watching.